command for STPanel is sheets numbering. This command used when I want rename my sheet for multi-sheet document, and I can number in sheet for many documents. For example, I have two drawing. In first drawing I have 4 sheets, and second drawing I have 3 sheets, and I want set number through in this document. I close these documents, open panel, load this document in table. After that I can check this option, set sheets number in configuration property. When I check this option, for all views in this document, we'll open a part to the 3D model and write property sheet number where, or sheet numbers where this model have drawing view in documents. Let's start this command, run. As you see, open first document, load in components, rename sheets, open second documents, and rename sheets. Done. Let's check. As you see, all pages renamed 5, 4, 7, or 5, 6, 7. Open first document, first, second, third, fourth page. Open first page, and I open this part, for example. Check properties, and I see there is properties sheet numbers and value 4. If this model will have view on many pages, there is have many number pages in properties. That's all about this little command. Thank you.